Hey guys and gals, Froggy here. Well, I think this is what I've been waiting for. This is like the holy grail for guys who work on cars, especially shout out to you guys and gals on the Corvette forum. Told you I was going to get one of these. Chinese GM tech2 diagnostic scanner with Candy TIS 2000 32 megabyte card, complete kit, 1991 to 2013 GM module. You have to buy a module to go with, so you can buy other modules. You can, buy, I don't know, Cadillac modules or whatever. But hopefully this will bring my 13 Z06 back to life. I've been playing around with the traction control, active handling, and tire pressure sensors. And I hope this isn't a return. Looks like that's been opened up. I didn't get a plastic case for it. I think I can buy a better plastic case somewhere else than what the one they probably were gonna send me. Lots of connectors, lots of wiring. Hope this is in focus. Let me see. Okay, not too bad. And there's one special thing you need, I guess, for the later model car. That's an AC/DC adapter. You need this part that goes in between the scanner and the OBD2, and I think that's this, and it's for the later model cars. It might be the thing that comes after OBD2. CAN, C-A-N, CAN. Well, I don't even know if this needs batteries or what. I'm looking for the GM module. Hold on, let me pause this. Okay, well, I found that the module is already inside here. GM module, and this it says CANDI, so it's General Motors Controller Area Network, like CAN, Controller Area Network. I know this is a knockoff and a clone, so you can post some stuff about that if you want to, but I couldn't afford $2,000, whatever it is, for a real one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print out some documentation on the tool, and then I'll pick it up from there. Okay? Be back in a little bit. Okay, so here's where I'm at with the scan tool. I can't get it to pass the self-test. Let's see if I can get this on the screen here. You have to put in some loopback devices. Oh, what did I do with it? Here it is. There's some loopback devices that go in here. That's supposed to be the one for the PCM CIA, and then this is supposed to be the one for this VCI. And this is the automated test. It says the VCI loopback adapter is missing. Well, I don't think it's missing, but I'm going to press enter anyway. Excuse the noise, it's trash day. So now you have to press a bunch of keys. And it's just it's checking the keyboard. So I'm going to go through all those really fast. Exit key. Whoops. F9. I hit the wrong key for F9. There's F9. Now the exit key. Oh. Now the enter key. Question mark key. Where is that? Having a little trouble reading this. Sorry. Oh, there it is. Shift F0. So shift is turned on. F0. Soft keys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. It tells you to turn the shift off. Now we'll try the soft keys. Got all those. The yes key. The no key. Oh, cursor up. Sorry. If it's not the trash guy, it's the lawn guys. No key. Cursor down, cursor up. Left, right. Enter, exit. Alright, now it does all that. And it's going to say main PCB self-test pass, VCI self-test. I'm really sorry about that noise. Oh, it says test in progress. I'm going to shut the door. Gosh, sorry. All right, test complete. And you got pass, pass, fail, 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 passes, fails, so on and so forth. So basically, either there's something wrong with the tool, or I'm not connecting the loopbacks correctly, or I've been given the wrong loopbacks, which who knows, because it's a clone, so I don't know. What I did was I ordered another tool from a different seller, and I'm going to hang on to this for a little bit, and then I'll see if this next tool, which I'll get in 3 or 4 days, if it does a self-test and it does any better or differently. So that's where I am right now on this. Give me a thumbs up or like. This helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. I'm going to be doing some stuff about this Tech2 tool. So subscribe if you want to find out more about the Tech2 tool. Alright? So right now we're just going to turn it off. And that's it. See you later. Froggy out. Bye.